You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. I love this word, and I kind of love this type of cars as well. If you want to learn more car names pronounced more Aussie slang too, stay tuned. Ute, it's how it's pronounced. You could spell it Y-O-O-T. It's a type of vehicle. It's a bit like a pickup truck, but it's just a regular car, like a sedan as a pickup truck. Ute is how it's pronounced. Ute, Australian, New Zealand slang too. It's more Aussie, is it? Let me know in the comments. A Ute. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.